Hello guys, para sa inyo itong awitin ko. Thank you so much nga pala sa 1,000 subscribers. Kung hindi sa inyo, hindi ko to naabot. Kaya sobrang happy ako ngayon. People smiling tell me I'm the lucky one. We've only just begun. I think I'm gonna have a son. It will be like she and me as a free as it out. Girls even love. The sun's gonna shine about. And even though we ain't got money, I'm so in love with you, honey. And everything will bring a chain of love. In the morning when I rise, you bring a tears of joy to my eyes and tell me everything is gonna be alright. Seems like 2 months ago I was better child. Never get I. Oh, I was a sorry guy. Now I smile and face the girl who chose my name. Now it's through the game. This will never be the same. And even though we ain't got money, I'm so in love with you, honey. And everything will bring a chain of love. In the morning when I'm rise, you bring a tears of joy to my eyes and tell me everything is gonna be alright. Pieces burgers rising is a very good shine. Strong and kind. Then the little boy's mine. Now I see family where the one was none. That we've just began. Yeah, we're gonna fly to the sun. And even though we ain't got money, I'm so in love with you, honey. And everything will bring the chain of love. In the morning when I'm rise, you bring a tears of joy to my eyes and tell me everything is gonna be alright. Thank you. See you on my next vlog.